Friends, hello, myself Yogesh Raghav, and today I'm just going to present you a great software whose name is Sendio. Friends, Sendio is an auto responder software that will help you to generate profit with the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger. So friends, this is an auto responder software that will surely help you to get traffic, get leads, and the lead will convert into sale for sure. So friends, what is new about this Send IO software? Friends, you will get unlimited email marketing campaigns. You can create unlimited text message campaigns. You can create unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns. You can easily import unlimited email and phone numbers. There would be a zero monthly fee. Like you just don't have to pay like $90 or $25 as a monthly fee like that you have to pay when you purchase another auto responding services such as a gripper and get response. So there would be no monthly fee friends for this software, and also you will get a limited time bonus with the software. So friends, this software will replace all other auto responder software, and need to buy you just don't need to buy any services with this uh, software. So this is the benefit of using this software. And also, friends, like uh, there are various steps also given, like how you can use this software, how you can build a list, and how you can sell something using it. So, friends, this is a bit sneak peek about this software. And friends, as you can see on my screen, there are there are some screenshot of payouts that customers have earned from this. Uh, this is a jvzoo screenshot which you are seeing on my screen. So these are the couple of earnings that people have earned after using this software. So friends, basically how this software will help you, like you will get unique clicks, you will get unique visitors, and you will get tar- targeted leads for sure. Like whichever niche you are promoting using your site, you will get a laser targeted traffic for your niche, and your leads would be convert into sales for sure. This is the power of this Can IO software. And friends, also once you buy this software, you will get a couple of bonuses with this uh, software, which you are yeah, which you can see here. Uh, this is first bonus you will get with this software, which is worth $997 value. This is second bonuses you will get with this software. This is third bonus. This is third bonus you will get with this software. And friends, these are all more than $900 value. Like if you will purchase this software, you have to pay like $997 at least for each of these software. But with 10IO, you are getting this all for software for free. So you just don't need to just purchase us. You just don't need to pay extra time for each of these. So friends, these are some benefits, or these are some packages that this Sendio is providing for you, like what you will get in this package. These are all features that are provided here. Like for those who have just started their business, they can means sorry, not for business. If they want to use this software for their personal use, they can use this package. And for those who have just started their business, they can use this software plan. So you can see all the benefits what you are getting once you buy this package plan. Okay, so these are the benefits of this software. I mean, tons of benefits that you are getting from this. And the most important part that just don't need to pay uh, every month like us. You can see here. Just don't need to pay every month. This is only a one-time fee that you have to pay, and you will get all these benefits then for sure. And I'm sure that you won't get this all benefit in a single software. For each and every service, you have to pay some amount as per this software. So friends, for me, it's a win-win situation for you. You can just try this out software. And the most important part is that this software is giving a 30-day money back guarantee. Like in any case, if you don't like this software or you don't made any profit from this software, you can easily refund this software within 30 days. Okay, so this is the most benefit part of this software. So friends, this is a bit of uh, walkthrough from my side about this software. And friends, in case if you do have any doubt or any query, you just can drop me a mail on my mail ID or drop me a message on my Instagram and that I will provide below this video. And friend, yeah, one last thing that I would like to say you, friend, if you purchase this software using my link, I will giving you 8 gifts or you can say 8 bonuses from my end for absolutely free. Yeah, friends, along with the bonuses that you will get with this software, if you purchase using my link, you just I will send you 8 bonuses on your email or on your WhatsApp number, like whichever you prefer. So thank you, friends. Thank you once again for sharing your uh, precious time with me, and I hope that you will like this video. And in case if you do have any query, you can drop me your email, and I'll be very happy to uh, answer your query. So thanks again. Thanks again, friends, and hope you having a great weekend.